solve equations with variables.
Variables.
Ion.
Alright, Ayana, so go ahead and read the definition for us. Thank you. That's okay, we're still going to participate.
I can just choose another person.
That's fine, I want her to participate.
Ayana, sweetheart, you did a great job of reading the definition last week. Can you please demonstrate for us today what it's like?
An unknown number. Alright, thank you, Ayana. Okay, so really quickly, before we go on with the lesson, we're going to go over our hand signals. Since some people may have forgotten, we're just going to refresh your memory. So for materials, what hand signal are we using for if we need a material? And I want to see all scholars participating. So I see Khadijah, she's showing her hand signal. Lunera showing her hand signal. Shemaya showing her hand signal. Just waiting on two other scholars to show me their hand signals. So Malachi is showing his. Just waiting on one other scholar if you need materials. All right, so if you need to go to the bathroom, what hand signal do you guys use? So we have the two fingers up. If we need, if we have a question or a comment, what are we doing with our hands? So Shemaya is showing me, Lunera is showing me, waiting for all scholars to show me. All right, if you agree, let me see those hand signals. Do we shout out when we say we agree, or do we just use our silent hand signals? Our silent hand signals. What about if we disagree? Malachi, can you show us what hand signal we use when we disagree?
This is a group warning. The expectation is that all scholars are just going over these hand signals. We've done it for 3 weeks. Go ahead and show us.
All right, and then if you want to build upon one of your peers, what hand signals? Thank you, Khadijah. Thank you, Munira, Shemaya, Malachi. Just waiting on one other scholar. Thank you, Ayana. All right, good. So we just wanted to refresh your memory about the hand signals that we're using. And then we're also going to be using accountable talk today when we're going over our variables. So when reading a book, how will you know what page to begin reading with again? Munira, what did you say for your do now?
By the page number?
By the page number. So what do you do? Like just write down the page number so you can remember it? Okay.
Like a little bookmark.
Okay, Shemaya, what do you use?
I would put a sticky note in there.
So a sticky note, Khadijah?
Honestly, I fold the top corner or make a bookmark and place it in the page, or write down the book title and the page.
Okay. Malachi, what did you say? When you're reading a book, what do you use? How do you remember what page you left off at? You fold the corner, so you do what Khadijah does. What about you, Ayana? A bookmark? Okay, cool. So, you guys might be wondering why we are like going over books when we're in math class, but today's lesson is about variables. So when we're using variables, we're comparing different, I would like to see all scholars facing me right now. Thank you. So when we're using variables, we're just trying to figure out different ways to solve a problem, just like we would with a book. We're not solving a book, but we're just seeing where we left off and then where we need to continue when we're solving variables, okay? So today I want you to turn to your equations with variable page and your binders. So everyone should be turning to that page. Khadijah. So the top of the page should say solving for a variable.